Good morning everyone, this is Bhargava. Today's travel is a bit rushed. We spent whole evening yesterday trying to decide where to visit around Udupi, Hebri or even Agumbe area, and then we sat to work. We worked till the night and woke up very late. We had breakfast and then we just googled waterfalls near Agumbe. We found 3. So the first one was the Barkana Falls, then the Santhekatte Falls, Jogi Gundi Falls, and we decided to visit the Barkana Falls. We know nothing about that location. From the Google Maps, it looks like there's a fair bit of trek involved, so we'll see how it goes. So we had a change of plans because the forest officials that we met informed us that Jogi Gundi Falls is far more accessible than the Barkana Falls, and Barkana Falls is more of a viewpoint, so you get to see it from a distance and not go near it. One more thing is that the GPS is not that accurate. I mean, it's absolutely inaccurate. It just gets you to 80% of the way, and the rest 20% you'll have to speak to the locals and get to know the location. And the forest officials are extremely cooperative. You have to buy a ticket which is 100 rupees per person, and the route is quite good. See, there is a grab handle if you want to have some support while walking. So this is Jogi Gundi Falls. Beautiful, isn't it? It's a really cool place both in terms of looks and temperature. You can easily spend several hours here sitting on the rocks and just taking in the view. My desire on this trip was not just to visit this place, but also to capture its magnificence in photographs. So I took the camera, tripod, lenses, and went on a composition hunt. So after all the hunting, I captured a few images. Let's see how they came out, shall we? As I was already in this magnificent place, I also decided to try some environmental portraits with my brother-in-law as a model. The best thing about traveling with me is that whoever accompanies me gets to be a model. Environmental portraits, I believe, are like landscape photography with a person also in the frame. It is something that I have been working towards getting better at, so this is how those images turned out. After taking in the view and doing photography, we decided to then head towards BARKANA Falls viewpoint. I would like to visit here again during the next monsoon season. By then the waterfall should be even more amazing. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so that you will be notified when I post more of these scenic videos. Okay, so we started the walk towards BARKANA Falls. I have to say the location is just amazing. And every time I'm in the woods, what I feel like is I'm in the set of Lord of the Rings, or as if I'm in the world of Lord of the Rings. It's like the hobbits taking an unexpected journey, which is what today happens to be. It was a spontaneous decision. We picked the location and just went with it. And I'm loving every minute of it. so we reached the viewpoint, and I think we did take the route properly. We stopped at the gate, and it's just on the 2.5 kilometer, it's around 3 kilometers of walk, and it wasn't taxing at all. It's pretty easy, and look at the view. Okay, so we're done with the visit. A spontaneous trip we planned this morning after getting up late, having breakfast. Jogi Gundi Falls was amazing, and the viewpoint, my god, it was just surreal. ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿತು?
ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
Ultimate. So now we are heading back, and the monsoon has come back again. There's a high chance it will rain now, so we are trying to hurry towards our car. Another 3 kilometers walk, and hope you like this video, and as usual, like, subscribe, leave a comment, share with your friends, family, everyone, and do watch more of my videos. Until next time, see ya.